What's up, YouTube? Got a new tool today. Well, I got it last night in the mail. The Milwaukee mid-torque, the newer one, 2861 600 reverse torque. I think the old one was 450 or 500, but it has 450 in forward and 600 in reverse. This is the older high torque, the 2763, which is still a great gun, except my trigger is stuck. You push it all the way, it sticks. You gotta flick it to get it to undo. I'm gonna send it in for a warranty. Other than that, it's still great, and I've used the crap out of it for about 2 years now. But they got 5-year warranty, so why not? Alright, I tested it already. First of all, I'm gonna do a little more comparison on how, it's crazy how much smaller it really is all the way around. Well, that's not gonna work. Yeah, it will. The head is a lot smaller in diameter too. Of course, the shaft's about the same, but you can tell how much. That's really a good comparison. But I was really impressed with the torque it put out. It will still take a lug nut off of one of these trucks, and these aren't properly torqued to 450 to 500. They're over torqued to probably right around 600 at least, because I put them on with the big 1-inch gun over there. Yeah, I know I should probably properly torque them, but I don't. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get my 33 mil socket. Show you what it'll do. You can see I took that one off already, so I'll take this one off. Pretty fancy, huh? Of course, I ain't gonna use it for this. It's on there pretty tight too. I was highly impressed with it. Now I'm gonna retorque it with my big gun. And I'll show you what happens with the trigger. When you're hammering on something, the hammering effect will unjar the trigger back. See? You have to flick it to get it to stop. That's plenty. This thing's supposed to do 750 in forward. 700 or 750 in forward, I believe. 1100 in reverse. I'm going to get the newer one, the 2767. It is 1400 reverse torque, 900 forward, or 800 forward. I think it's 800 forward, 850, something like that. I can't remember. I know it was with a beast. But, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you that, and I'm going to use that from now on, really. I'm going to show you new knipex pliers. I got the hose clamp pliers. I finally broke down and got them. I bought this stuff on Amazon though, because it's a lot cheaper than trying to buy it on the truck. Paid $70 for these. On the truck it's $120. So, yep, I think those would come in handy. But, yeah, that was my Amazon tool haul, but I did order the M18 fuel grinder, which is going to be awesome, but it didn't come in last night. It's supposed to come in tonight, so I'll make another video on it tomorrow. But, yep, that's what I want to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and tell all your friends.